To share internet from your Redmi Note 15, start by opening the settings, and we are gonna use the portable hotspot. So we have to open the more connectivity options and go to the portable hotspot. And all you have to do is just to click on the switcher if you want to turn it on and off, but it's also really important to set this hotspot. So I can recommend you to click here, and first of all you can change name of your hotspot if you want by clicking here. And also you are able to change a password. So as you can see, the password is very long. If you want to change it, you can for sure do this. And here I can recommend you to change the security to WPA3 personal. It's more secured than the WPA2. And you can even hide the name of your hotspot for some reason if you want. Now you have to click here on the right upper corner. And right now you can also set the one-time data limit. So we have to turn off the Wi-Fi for the first, and now we are able to do that. So we can set, for example, the custom, like let's say I want to set 10 gigs. And now you can just go back. There's also another option, turn off hotspot automatically. So the hotspot will be turned off when there's no devices connected. And you can even check who is connected and how many devices can connect to your hotspot. And you can even block some devices if there's some connections that you don't authorize.